Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Tundra side mirror. First, gather your tools: a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a trim removal tool. Safety glasses are also a good idea. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself, saving time and money. We'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth replacement. To begin, gently remove the small trim panel covering the mirror's mounting bolts inside the door. Use your trim removal tool to avoid damage. Next, locate and disconnect the electrical connector that powers the mirror's functions. Finally, use your 10mm socket to unscrew the 3 mounting bolts. Support the mirror as you remove the last bolt to prevent it from falling. Now, carefully position your new side mirror onto the door, aligning the mounting holes. Insert the 3 10mm bolts and hand tighten them first, then use your ratchet to secure them firmly, but do not over-tighten. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness until you hear a click, ensuring a secure connection for all mirror functions. Before finishing, sit in your Tundra and test all the mirror's functions, including power adjustments and any integrated turn signals. Make sure everything operates correctly. Reinstall the interior trim panel, ensuring it snaps securely into place. For more helpful tips and product recommendations, check the description below for links to other deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's a great way to enjoy your favorite books anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.